National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Butler County, northwestern Warren County, northwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, until 3:15 p.m.
EAS 700 on Channel 7.
A severe thunderstorm was located
How
near
ironic.
Brothers, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Vandalia, Trenton, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moraine, Carlisle, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, and Riverside. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 37 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 36 and 59.